Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actress Emilia Clarke. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Daenerys Targaryen, Daenerys Targaryen, Daenerys, Ruz, Tar, Gay, Rian, Daenerys Targaryen. She is one of the most compelling and dynamic characters as she starts her journey in exile, but quickly rises to prominence through her determination, charisma, and the support of her dragons. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Daenerys Targaryen, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.